Here we are at the Angry Mushroom Emporium Guitar Shop with Ian MacCartor.
Hey.
And today we have this Hondo, what's the model?
Deluxe Series 781 electric shred machine.
And it's a cool looking electric. It's got ISIS back. It's just got a loose connection on the 1/4" jack. Let's find out.
Let's see.
Yeah, some background music would be nice. I already popped the screws out, and all the connections on the tone and volume look great. And you'll pick me.
So cute.
Sometimes you took me down to play. I got my hopes up high. Sometimes you never noticed me. Makes me wonder why. Ding, ding, ding.
Resting on that belly.
Yeah, I'd say we have some loose wiring here, so just re-solder this connector. This was a little loose down here, so we soldered that back up. And this has a little bit of a frayed wire, so I'm afraid it's frayed. Okay. It turns out, combination of frayed wiring and dirty potentiometers.
How's that for a diagnosis?
I use this cleaner and lubricant. There's a little opening. You can see openings in here, and just give it a little spritz. Make sure you cover up the guitar before you spray. This is what we did. I missed this footage. And then you spray it, and then you go back and forth, and you'll hear it crackling, and then the crackling starts to go away. And now no more crackling. We'll crank this up.
Not a single crack. It's kind of hypnotic. With the knobs.
We're filming the knobbing.
Putting a hat on that fella, that little fella right there. Nice little bowler. Like his brother.
And how's the action to you?
It feels good to me. I'm used to
okay.
Nylon, so it's feeling easy to me.
I wouldn't mess with it. The far left knob, you switch it up.
This guy?
Yeah, the far left knob, give it a couple clicks and then play some of your power chords there. MacCartor at his power chord Hondo.
I should add power chords to all my songs.
Well, we got this Hondo electric guitar. It had a crackly voice. He wanted to play it sometime soon, but he really didn't have a choice. So we brought it over to the guitar shop and we found out what was wrong. And now we got another guitar to play this silly song.
Hey, buddy.
Well, it had some frayed wiring, and then we soldered it up because we were afraid it was frayed. And then we took that piece of string off the tone because we didn't. My wife said she didn't like my tone. So.
Impossible. You got the nicest tone of anybody I know.
Yeah. So we changed our tone, wired it back up, plugged it in, and tested it out, and it rocks. And now, back to the song. Like blowing up balloons. Big ending. Sweet.
Oh, Lord, yes.
Edgy.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, Lord.
So next year.
Perfect.